Namaste. I'm JBN Dr. Meenakshi Soni, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Department Homeopathic Repertory. Today's our topic is need for repertory. Repertory का जरूरत क्यों है? Why? Why we need repertory? So first we are talking about repertory. Repertory is what? It is an index of homeopathic materia medica in which full of information collected from toxicology, drug proving and clinical experiences. रेपर्टरी में होम्योपैथिक मटेरिया मेडिका और उसके सिम्टम दिए होते हैं इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंडेक्स, जिसमें डिफरेंट डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस, ड्रग प्रूविंग और टॉक्सिकोलॉजी से ली है। इसमें जो इंफॉर्मेशन होती है वो बहुत ही ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक होती है। जो सिम्टम्स होते हैं उनके अलोंग में जो मेडिसिन दी हुई होती हैं, दीज आर आल्सो ऑथेंटिक, सो इट इज अ इंडेक्सिंग. Here we store different type of drugs under the symptoms as per the gradations, and different repertory has different gradations also. So it is a collection of different symptom plus materia medica. This नीड ऑफ रिपर्टरी फर्स्ट फेल्ट बाय हनीमैन. हनीमैन को सबसे पहले लगा था कि कुछ ऐसा टूल होना चाहिए, विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस टूल वी कैन सिलेक्ट अ पर्टिकुलर रेमेडी और पर्टिकुलर सिलेक्शन ऑफ सिमिलर रेमेडी एक्चुअली. सो दैट्स व्हाई he introduced about the repertory, or he started the indexing of materia medica and symptoms also. The process of repertorization, it is essentially an elimination which start with a broad choice, slowly narrow down the field and giving us the adequate small group of medicines so that the final selection is made easier with the help of further reference to the materia medica. Actually we need repertory because there are lots of symptoms during case taking we found in case. So repertory is a tool. With the help of this tool we can eliminate different type of symptoms, those are not necessary for our case, and collect symptoms, those are compulsory for our case. And with the help of these symptoms we can collect a adequate small group of medicine, and with the help of this group of medicine we can select a final selection of medicine and further reference to the materia medica. That is the actually method of repertorization. And when we can use this method, so we can select the medicine easily. So repertory, it is a tool. The physician who have never used or have rarely used repertory complain about its elaborate method. Actually that is elaborating method, but with the help of software nowadays this is too much easier. And nowadays books are also easier because some books particular disease या particular organ के ऊपर भी आ गई हैं, कुछ ऐसी repertories भी आ गई हैं, और with the help of computer repertory आप खुद का repertory भी बना सकते हैं पर्टिकुलर डिसीज पर्टिकुलर पार्ट के ऊपर, या पर्टिकुलर जो भी आपको चैप्टर सिलेक्ट करना हो जिसके केसेस आपके पास आते हो. तो दिस इज आल्सो वेरी यूजफुल मेथड नाउ डेज. जो भी इस रिपर्टरी को यूज करता है तो वो हैबिचुअल हो जाता है, बट जो यूज नहीं करता उसके लिए ये टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होती है. बट इफ यू स्टार्ट टू यूज दैट, दैट इज वेरी इजी फॉर एवरी होम्योपैथ. Why we need avoid routinism. Avoid रूटीनिज्म मीन्स आपका जो भी रूटीन है, आप उसमें जो भी एक ही वे में पेशेंट का जो डाटा कलेक्ट करके और उसका मेडिसिन सिलेक्शन करते हैं, तो उसको आप अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. इट टीच बाय ग्रेडेशन दैट द रिलेटिव इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वेरियस मेडिसिन्स टू सिलेक्ट सिमिलिमम क्विकली, helps to find out complete symptom also when we are not getting a complete picture of patient. So we can use repertory and select symptoms, other symptoms, those are helpful for our case. So it another need is it promote discovery of medicine जहां पर हमें ऐसा लगता है कि कुछ मेडिसिन जो हमसे छूट रही हैं, जो हम की ओनली मटेरिया मेडिका की हेल्प से या सिर्फ केस टेकिंग से नहीं पता कर पा रहे हैं, जब आप रिपर्टराइजेशन करते हैं तो आपको कुछ ऐसे मेडिसिन मिलते हैं जिसके बारे में आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि इस केस में ये एप्लीकेबल होते हैं. सो it promote the discovery of new medicines also, and it is also helpful for the study of materia medica. If you have no time for study of materia medica, so when you used repertory during the case taking or the during the find out the medicine, so you can study the materia medica or the comparative study or easy with the help of repertory. Second, prescription also made by repertorization. After repertorization, when we select a particular medicine, so with the help of a repertory, we can create our second prescription also, and follow well, complementary, antidote also. We can use this method by the help of repertory. Its constant use makes the physician efficient. That is actually fact of repertory. It makes the physician efficient. By consultant handling one references refreshes the knowledge of difficult symptom and medicine with different grades. So repertory, it is a need of every homeopath actually. Repertory, materia medica, and organon. These three tools are very necessary for study of homeopathy and for the prescription of in the field of homeopathy. It helps the physician to ask intelligent question also when some questions are we are not remembered during the case taking. So that when we open the repertory, so there are multiple questions arises in our mind. For example, if we have collect a case and we have a symptoms, personal symptoms and the physical generals, but sometimes we are not found something are missing in this case. So when we study the repertory, when we are studying the different sections or the generality section or the mind section, so the question arises, we are missing something. Repertory has given all the chapters, so why we cannot collect all? If we have some physical, some particular symptoms, but we are not remember about the mental general. So at that time, question asked to patient, what are the mental symptom, your what is your nature, what is your behavior, what about your anger. So these intelligent type of questions are arises when we studying repertory properly. Repertory teaches us to be careful about those symptoms belonging to disease and the common symptoms also, and to consider only those symptoms which lie outside the disease, uncommon symptoms of the disease. Actually, these uncommon and common symptoms theory given by Hahnemann. So he believes in the common and uncommon also. So repertory is a useful tool to identify these common and uncommon symptoms, because in the repertory all type of symptoms are given under these chapters. So that is helpful for this. Allopath diagnose the disease for the purpose of commencing the treatment, whereas homeopath diagnose the disease for the purpose of removing the common symptom of the disease and to consider the rest of symptoms that lie outside the path, chronomic and symptoms. So this is the actually difference between the allopath and the homeopath. So we are trying to remove the cause, we are trying to remove the common symptom, we treat patient as whole, not a particular disease. Repertory makes the study of materia medica extremely interesting and reveals more and more about the uncommon symptoms. When we are in doubt, a rubric, the meaning of which is not clear, we are compelled to read the materia medica for exact meaning. Sometimes हमें ऐसा होता है कि कुछ rubrics ऐसे होते हैं, especially माइंड सेक्शन के जो रूब्रिक्स होते हैं जो हमें समझ में नहीं आते हैं. सो फॉर द दिस मीनिंग, पर्टिकुलर मीनिंग उसका क्या है उसके बारे में अगर हम क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है तो हम मटेरिया मेडिका में उसके माइंड सेक्शन का पिक्चर देख सकते हैं, उस रूब्रिक के बारे में पता कर सकते हैं. सो देयर आर रिलेशन बिटवीन द मटेरिया मेडिका एंड रिपर्टरी, क्योंकि जो मटेरिया मेडिका में है उसको ही कंसाइज करके रिपर्टरी में दिया गया है. तो जब हमें रेफरेंस लेना हो तो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मटेरिया मेडिका का हम रेफरेंस ले सकते हैं. Thank you. I hope you understand this topic. Actually, we need repertory when we sort out a case, also acute or the chronic case. Sometimes we thinking about the कि ओनली क्रॉनिक केस में हमें रिपर्टरी का नीड होता है, बट ऐसा नहीं है। हम रिपर्टरी का नीड हमें क्रॉनिक केस में भी होता है, रिपर्टरी का नीड हमें एक्यूट केस में भी होता है। हमें अगर टोटालिटी ऑफ सिम्टम्स मिल रहा है, वहां पे हम रिपर्टरी का यूज करके एक ग्रुप ऑफ मेडिसिन को लेकर उसमें से कुछ पर्टिकुलर मेडिसिन को सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो एट Hahnemann's time he felt need of repertory. That's why repertory discovered by Hahnemann and different stalwarts enhanced the need of repertory in the field of homeopathy, and that is a very important tool. And nowadays we are not thinking about any medicines without repertorization also. During clinical practice you found that कि repertory बहुत ही ज़्यादा helpful tool है. With the help of repertorization आप जो normal मेडिसिन सिलेक्शन करते हो, वो रिपर्टराइजेशन की हेल्प से बहुत ही ज्यादा इजी हो जाता है। तो इट इज फेल्ट by Hahnemann, and we feel when we are in clinical practice. So thank you so much. I hope you understand the topic. The question arises from this topic. One is the why we need the repertory for selection of remedy. That is very common question. So answer is you have answer. And why Hahnemann felt need for repertory at that time. Hahnemann को कैसा लगा था कि कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए, कुछ उनके साथ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स हुए होंगे या फिर कुछ उन्हें फील हुआ होगा, कुछ तो उनके दिमाग में आया होगा कि कुछ एक नया इन्वेंशन करना चाहिए, तो उन्होंने जो है रिपर्टरी की खोज की थी। तो व्हाई हनीमैन फेल्ट नीड फॉर रिपर्टरी, दीज आर टू क्वेश्चंस and coming in exams also. So hope you understand this topic. Thank you.